Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my cleaning tag. Now this is something I saw on Sarah Smith's channel. If you're not already subscribed to her, I will link her channel down below so you can go and follow her, and I'll also link the video that she did with all the questions from today's tag down below as well, so you can go and check that video out after this one if you want to. But today's video, like I said, is going to be a cleaning tag. It involves lots of different questions about cleaning hacks, cleaning tips, like my favourite products, and also things that I don't like to clean as well. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jessica, mum of one to a little boy called George, who is, I was going to say almost 2, he's actually 2.5, and it's just madness how quick it's actually going. But I like to post motherhood and lifestyle content, but I really like to post cleaning content. That is like the main part of my channel, is my cleaning content. I absolutely love to film it, cleaning motivation, cleaning tips, cleaning hacks, you name it, I like to film it. And clean. So yeah, if you like that kind of a video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will also link all the questions down below, so if you guys want to leave your answers, I would love to chat with you guys and know what your answers are to the questions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so there's 15 questions. I have them here all on my phone because I'm not going to remember them all. But the first question is, what's your idea of a clean home? Now my idea of a clean home is everything where it's supposed to be, but then also like extra clean. I mean, like cleaning my skirting boards, door handles, inside my kitchen cupboards. Like every day I like to do a speed clean around my house, but at the weekends I like to get down and dirty and actually, you know, put my marigolds on and scrub the skirting boards, scrub the floors, do all that kind of cleaning at the weekends. I'll link my cleaning playlist down below, and I'll also link all my sort of daytime videos of cleaning, like speed cleaning videos, and then I'll also link some of my extreme deeper cleaning videos down below as well. So if you want to check those out, you're more than welcome to. But yeah, what I think is a clean home is just having a really deep, extreme clean of everywhere. And like I say, I like to try and get as much of it done as I can at the weekends, but I don't tend to get much of it done. My home is fairly clean most of the time, but I wouldn't say it's always extremely really like severely deep clean. Okay, so question 2 is, do you think women have it harder now than previous generations? And I was a bit not confused about this question, but I didn't really know how to answer it. So I just think over time so much has changed for women. Obviously women got so much more rights over time, and they obviously used to stay home a lot of the time. They didn't used to work. They would be home with the kids and do the cooking and the cleaning and things. So I can imagine it was quite hard for them. Obviously now lots of women like myself, I work full time. I do a Monday to Friday job, and I work, you know, 30 something hours a week. So I also have a full-time job, as well as I like to do my YouTube, and as well as having 2 roles, cleaning the house, doing the cooking, all of that kind of thing. So I just think everyone has their own problems. That, however, you know, it would have been hard for the ladies at the time because they didn't know anything different. And I think just over time, it sort of just stayed the same, but everyone's sort of situations have changed. I don't know if that made any sense. It makes sense in my head. Please let me know down below if you understand what I'm saying. So question 3 then is, do you have scheduled cleaning routines? So I do have scheduled cleaning routines. I have a morning routine. If I'm home, I'll do a midday like power hour clean, and then in the evenings I'll do an evening cleaning routine. At the weekends, I'll do more of a deep clean, whether I try and get like the whole house done on a Saturday, or whether I'll just literally choose like one room, like the bathroom, the kitchen, or George's room, who's my little boy, and I will just spend the entire day cleaning that entire room. And then on a Sunday I have like a bit of a different Sunday cleaning routine. So I like to do wash the bedding and things like that, get extra washing done, everything ready to start the new week. But like I said, you know, the first question, I'll link those videos down below so you can go and check those out if you want to. Question 4 then is, what is your holy grail cleaning product? And I found this question really difficult. I have so many holy grail products, but if I had to choose one, it would probably be Zoflora. All the pink stuff. I'm gonna go 2. You know, it's my video, I can make the rules. I'm gonna go 2. So I'm gonna go for the pink stuff. You can get it in a spray, you can get it in a cleaning paste, and you can also get it in a cream. I use it on such a regular basis, and you can just use it on so many things. I've actually filmed a couple of pink stuff videos. I will link them up here and I'll pop it down below as well. I've done it like a 2-part series, so you can go and check that out if you want to. But I'm obsessed with the pink stuff. And then, yeah, also Zoflora. It's just a classic cleaning product that everyone has or should have in their cleaning cupboard. But again, you can use it on so many different things. You can dilute it, you can use it on pretty much everything. Obviously there's a few things you can't use it on, and again, I also have actually filmed a Zoflora video, I completely forgot, on ways to use Zoflora. So again, I'll pop it up here and I'll link it down below if you want to go and check that video out after this one. Question number 5 is, what is the worst room to clean? I don't really have a worst room to clean. I think most people would say the bathroom. My worst thing to clean is actually in the bathroom, is the toilet, but I quite like cleaning the rest of the bathroom. I don't really have a room that I don't like to clean. Maybe the kitchen. I should say my little boy's room, because once I've cleaned it, 10 minutes later it is just messy again, but that's kids. I'm gonna probably say if I had to pick one worst room, it would be the kitchen, just because it is the room that gets the messiest and it probably does take the most amount of time to clean. So question number 6 then is, what is your favourite cleaning hack? So my favourite cleaning hack is using bicarbonate of soda. I use bicarbonate of soda amongst other things for cleaning so much in my house. I use it daily, and you can use it on so many things. You can use it to clean your drains, you can use it to get grease and grime out of the grouting that's like above the hob. You can use it on stains in the bathroom. You can use it on so many things. I have actually filmed, I feel like this video is me saying I filmed videos, but I have filmed a video on using bicarbonate of soda. I'll pop it up here and I'll link it down below, and you can go and check that out if you want to. One of my favourite cleaning hacks actually with the bicarbonate of soda is using it to clean jewellery, mainly like stainless steel or silver products, but if they're looking a bit tarnished, you can actually pop that in some bicarbonate of soda and also like with some water, vinegar, etc. It's all in that video if you want to go and check it out, but it's just a really amazing, cheap way to make your jewellery look brand new again. So yes, bicarbonate of soda then is my most favourite cleaning hack. Question number 7 is, what are your favourite cleaning tools? And I'm just going to go for a classic microfiber cloth. I cannot get enough of them. I have so many in so many different colours, and I just feel like they're so good for cleaning pretty much everything. I do also have like my traditional Scrub Daddy and my Minky, and of course they work amazingly, but I am a sucker for a microfiber cloth. Oh, and a toothbrush. I buy so many cheap toothbrushes from Sainsbury's and use it for so many different things, whether it's cleaning trainers, the grouting, anything. Yeah, toothbrushes work really, really well. Question number 8 is, do you regularly minimize and declutter your home? So I try and keep my house as decluttered as I can, just as I go throughout life. Obviously it doesn't always work out that way, and especially with having children it doesn't work out that way. I actually have a video planned coming up of a declutter with me. I am just currently writing a list of everywhere I want to get decluttered. On there at the moment I think is my makeup drawer, George's toys, some of George's books, and my clothes as well. I think perhaps I should go through my wardrobe. So subscribe to my channel for that video, because that will be coming very, very shortly. But I think, yes, I do try and keep my home as decluttered as I possibly can. So question number 9 then is, do you use the weekend to clean or clean for the weekends? And it's kind of a mixture of both. So I clean pretty much throughout the week anyway, but I will come home from work on a Friday evening and just give everywhere a really nice clean. So when I wake up on Saturday it is pretty much clean, ready for the day, whether we're staying in, got visitors, or whether we're going out. But then, like I said, I will keep cleaning throughout Saturday, throughout the day. I'll probably do a deep clean of a room on a Saturday, and then on a Sunday I will do a end of week clean to prepare for the Monday. It sounds pretty sad really that I'm doing all this cleaning, but I genuinely thoroughly enjoy it. So yeah, I like to clean all of the time, but I do especially like to clean on a Friday night, ready for Saturday morning, depending on what we're doing. Question number 10 is, what is your favourite Zoflora scent? My favourite Zoflora scent is probably Lemon Zing. It is incredible. I use it for the kitchen. I have so many different Zofloras I use for different rooms. So like I'll use my linen fresh for the bedroom, maybe for the bathroom as well. But I love to use the lemon zest, or lemon zing, sorry, for the kitchen. It just makes it smell so fresh. So yeah, lemon zing is definitely my favourite Zoflora flavour, but there are so many. I feel like that's such a trick question. I can't really choose one. If I had to, it would be the lemon zing. Question number 11 is preference on toxic and non-toxic cleaning products. Now, one of my favourite cleaning products is Method, and they are all non-toxic products. I love to use the Method on my kitchen surfaces. It's really good on using like my children's, I say children's, I only have one, my child's high chair on his table and things like that, because it is all non-toxic and it smells incredible. I have 3 at the moment. I have the eucalyptus and mint one for the bathroom. I think it just smells really nice in there, makes it all fresh. And then I also have a wild rhubarb and grapefruit for the kitchen, and they are beautiful. They smell so good. So yeah, I think it just depends on where you're using the product. Obviously, if you're trying to get rid of grease and grime that's really not budging, maybe a toxic product is going to be a little bit better than using something that's not non-toxic. But I just think it completely depends on what you're using that product for. So question number 12 then is, do you tidy the house before going to bed? And I think I've already answered that one. The answer is yes. I hate waking up to a messy house. I just can't do it. It makes me feel so unmotivated, so unproductive for the day. So before I go to bed, I like to do an evening cleaning routine. Again, they'll all be linked down below, so if you want to go and check those out, you can. But yes, I love to clean in the evenings. So in the morning, I can wake up, have a nice cup of tea, have some breakfast, and get a good start to my day. Question number 13 then is, would you rather to never do the laundry or never do the washing up ever again? And I actually quite enjoy doing the laundry, so I'm going to go for never do the washing up again. I'm actually quite blessed. I've got a dishwasher. I use it all the time. I feel like I use it probably twice a day, which is probably quite bad, but I'm not a fan of washing up. I really don't enjoy it. So if I had, obviously I do, but if I had to choose something never to do again, it would definitely be the washing up. Question number 14 then is, who are your favourite cleaning YouTubers? And I just feel like there are so many of my favourite cleaning YouTubers. So we have got, obviously, the lovely lady that I have got from this video, so that's Sarah Smith. I love Emily Norris. I've got Jennifer G Family. She is incredible. I'll link all of these people down below, so you can go and check out their channels if you want to. Not Just a Mum, she is incredible with like cleaning tips and hacks and things. Love Meg, she's great as well. So yeah, there are so many cleaning YouTubers. Just type it in online, cleaning motivation, and they'll just all come up, and you can just watch whilst you're doing your own home and just get really motivated with cleaning. And the final question then is, would you or do you hire a cleaner? And no, I don't hire a cleaner, and I don't think I would either. I feel like it's my house. I want to clean it. I know where everything goes. I know the products I like to use. I feel like if I brought someone in, she's going to be going around my house looking at my things, because I probably would too. I'm quite a nosy person. So yeah, and I enjoy it. I love to clean. I love to film it and put it out there for you guys as well. So no, not hiring a cleaner. So that is all of the questions on the cleaning tag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you. And yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know your answers to the question, or just leave me a comment to say hi. I really do love chatting with you guys. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.